Hey yo web traveler, today we're opening this special box, and what's so special about it, I don't fucking know. Obviously it looks freaking amazing, but also if you look at the number, there's a new number, NS01. I don't know what it means, maybe I will at some point. This is magnetic. Listen closely. Freaking amazing. How does it work? I don't know. Magnet science, man. Science is epic, and then you open it and then it's just like looking hella amazing. Holy shit. I mean, this is the best box design I've seen so far. We have some Christmas theme around here. Right on time. Well, for Chinese New Year it is, so it works, whatever. Cute Nezuko there, probably special Christmas New Year cards there. Let's just get rid of the box, even though it's a beautiful box. I haven't gotten any promo packs with it this time, but if you want a free promo pack, then you can make an order from a seller in the video description. One of the sellers, both sellers works. And let's start with the normal one. And if you do that, after you order, add a note, a message to the seller, TCG Comrade, and then you will get the one free promo pack shipped with your order. Okay, let's see. I don't know nothing about this set. Okay, those cards are different. That I see, and that I don't know how to feel about them. This is AR, this new rarity. Apparently this whole thing's of got a story, it's a new whole set, so to speak, and they're thick. They are thick square cards, and honestly, I don't know. It doesn't feel like the usual cards, you know what I mean? Like it feels different, although the quality on them is pretty good. That looks very juicy. SSR, and then we have another SSR, and I mean the quality is just nice. It's amazing. It's even better than the normal SSRs in my opinion. Probably it prints better on that kind of thick cards, I don't fucking know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how this set will perform, and then if it performs well, they probably will get a second kind of box of this. I don't mind if they do this, like sometimes this kind of card, sometimes normal. Okay, it is Christmas themed, but I just hope they keep on switching, right? Sometimes they do this set and sometimes they do the other set, like the normal cards. This one is even thicker. I mean, okay, MC, is this the rarity? Oh yeah, Merry Christmas, right? Alright. It's cool. I don't know who that is, but it's cool. It wouldn't be hype if I knew, but I'm stupid, so I don't. It is also the first time that the box contains the promo pack in it. Like kind of promo pack, like this is that was a special pack. So there are changes coming to Gather Story, and let me know in the comments if you like them or not. This card is freaking amazing. I should say this art is freaking amazing. I like it very much. That's nice. That's really nice. And then we have a super secret rare, whatever, SSR. Looking cool, looking nice. And then another one, a Data Life. Yeah, I almost forgot the name. Looking awesome. Look at that. Cool card. Ooh, I have not yet seen it. This movie, right? This, yeah, I think. Yeah. And I still wanted to, but yeah, this Kaon, right? I thought so, that it's probably Kaon. This is definitely Kaon. Correct me if I'm wrong. God damn, let's go. ZR freaking Evangelion. Amazing. Weep Investments, I hope you got your share of Asuka. If you didn't, well, I got it for you. Sorry. ZR, okay. Is it the first ZR? Yes, that's my first ZR pulled ever. Finally. But there's not even enough room for this shit. I pulled it with thick ZR. I don't know how to feel about it, but I mean, it's a good character. It's a good ZR, so I like at least that. So, oh yeah, darling in the Franks. Guys, if you want to support the channel, please like, comment, subscribe and all the jizz. And well, don't forget, you can get a free promo pack if you order from the seller with my promo codes. Well, promo message, kind of. More details in the video description. Okay, that's kind of cool. The normal cards are just fine. There's not really much going on in Shine Spectrum, but hey, yeah, Love Leaf, because we don't have enough already. Whatever, I'm just gonna skip this one, and I don't know who that is. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. Whoa, why is it so yellow? Is it supposed to be? I don't know. I think it is. And okay, Sakura having that drip, that anime drip. Okay, and I've seen this art before on Goddess Story. Don't believe it was an SSR. I think it was like a normal card. Okay. What do we have here? We have No Game, No Life, which I haven't seen. So we just... Oh shit, look at those, man. That's definitely a winner of Big Booba at this point of a video. So yeah, I'm curious to see if somebody can top that. And ultra rare, that's a new one, because we haven't had an ultra rare in Goddess Story before. And I don't know, I have kinda SP vibes from the 10-1 boxes, but it looks nice. It's probably Love Leaf, so I don't fucking care, but as the card itself, as a rarity, it looks very nice. Look, this is what I need. Just the name of anime, big as letters in front, because most of the time I don't know or can't even fucking remember, even though I watched it. I'm joking, I don't need this, but yes, that's the anime, and we move on to more K-On! Chicks. Very nice, very cool, and ooh, some forbidden area, I guess, lolis. So we're gonna just skip on that and move on to the next card. At least no doubles so far, so that's a good thing. Yes, still need to watch it. Is this a double? No, it isn't a double, thank God. Do I have complete K-On! Squad? I think I do, right? Yeah, I had 4 of them. So yeah, very nice. Oh, another MP! And that's one of my waifus that I really love and like. God damn, son! In different rarities that are freaking amazing, this box is definitely a winner. God damn. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, we have 2 packs left. I mean, can they surprise us even more? Yeah, they're a surprise for me. It's Fate. Let's go. It's Fate. Okay, cool. Fate 0. Yes, of course. Yes, something I don't like to... Another ultra rare. Look at that. It's better than freaking Love Leaf. If it is Love Leaf, I'm gonna cry. After I will know that it was a Love Leaf indeed. I don't fucking know what that is. It is not something I think I would watch. And of course, and the last card is this anime that I know but don't know name of and haven't watched it. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think about it and if you're gonna buy it, because yeah, that is very different concept from Goddess Story this time. Curious to know what the community thinks about it. Some of good waifus were pulled. I stop talking and see you in another one, Web Traveler.